Okay, so we will write the half cell reactions first at anode and cathode. So zinc undergoing oxidization, it releases two electrons. Here it is at the rate oxidation reaction at the rate anode. Okay, the reduction potential, the standard reduction potential of in is minus 0.76 volts. 2H plus 2 electron gives rise to hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere at the rate cathode. E naught is equal to, we know very well, 0.0 volts. Okay, so we will solve first E naught cell. So E naught cell is equal to, we know very well, that is E naught cathode minus anode, or E right minus E left. So that is H plus by H2 gas minus E naught Zn plus 2 by Zn. So that is equal to cathode minus anode. So that is 0 volts minus of 0.76 volts, that is equal to 0.76 volts. So plus into the Nernst equation, student. So that is Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log of concentration of products divided by concentration of reactants, students. Okay, so the concentration of Zn plus 2 we know very well, and we don't know the concentration of H plus, but he is asking in terms of pH, student. Okay, clear, student? Right. So E cell is equal to E naught cell, already we know very well. So that is the potential difference between two electrodes minus 0.059 by the total number of electrons transferred in this reaction, students, two electron transfer reaction, into log of concentration of Zn plus 2 is 0.1. So divided by H plus whole square. Okay, so clear. So we will calculate in simple way, that is log of A by B. So log of A by B is equal to log A minus log B. So E cell is equal to 0.76 minus 0.059 by 2 into, here the equation is turns into log A minus log B, that is log A minus log B. So that is H plus to the power of minus 2, log A minus log B, or H plus whole square, or simple H plus okay, H plus whole square, log A minus log B. Okay, so E cell is equal to 0.76 minus 0.059 by 2 into log 0.1 minus 0.059 by 2 into log H plus into 2, students. Okay, clear, student? So that is equal to 0.76 minus log 10 to the power of minus 1, student. Log 10 to the power of minus 1 means nothing but, student, minus 1 into log 10. So log 10 value is equal to 1, student. So therefore 0.059 by 2 into minus 1. So since log 0.1 value is equal to minus 1 into log 10, students. Okay, so minus 0.059 by 2 into, so this is log a to the power of x format, students. So just we can write in terms of 2 into log h plus, students, 2 into log. So 2 get cancelled, student, and also here the value is equal to 0.76 minus into minus plus, student. So it is equal to 0.03. Okay, so minus 0.059 into log h plus, student. Clear? So the value is 0.79. So E cell value we know that is 0.28 volts, student. So the E cell of the reaction he has mentioned, that is 0.28, student. So minus 0.059 into, so log H plus is equal to, we will write in terms of pH student, minus log H plus is equal to pH. Since here I will write so minus log H plus is equal to pH student. So after simplification, that is equal to, we will get the value pH is equal to, pH is equal to 0.059 by 0.0591 student. So the value is equal to 8.62, 8.6 chemistry. So the problem is based on Nernst equation. Here we are going to find out the equilibrium constant for the given following cell reaction. Okay, so this problem was asked in IITG 2004. So listen carefully student. So this is very important model for IITG and NEET AIMS type of exams. Okay, so we will do the problem in a simple way. So please listen carefully student. Okay, here, so first, so the given question here, the concentration of Zn plus 2 and Fe plus 2 he mentioned, and E cell of the cell reaction mentioned, that is a 0.2905 student. So then calculate the equilibrium constant for the following cell reaction. Okay, so simple student, so we will do in simple way student. If we know the reduction potential of zinc and reduction potential of iron, there is no issue student. So you can substitute directly into this equation, so there is no issue. But we will do in another way. So that is E cell is equal to students, that is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log of concentration of Zn plus 2 divided by concentration of Fe plus 2 student. So here, because the reaction we know very well student, that is zinc undergoing dissolution, so Zn plus 2 plus 2 electron, and Fe plus 2, it takes 2 electrons and it deposited as Fe student. Okay, so here the overall cell reaction Zn plus Fe plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Fe student. So here, so the product is Zn plus 2 and reactant is Fe plus 2. Okay, so we will sub calculate E naught cell of the following cell reaction, but because he has mentioned the E cell value, so that is equal to 0.2905, that is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n. N means student, it is a 2 electron transfer reaction, and the concentration of Zn plus 2 is 0.01. 0.01 means 10 to the power of minus 2 and 10 to the power of minus 3. So, okay, so after simplification, 0.2905 is equal to E naught cell minus, so this value becomes 0.0295 into log 10. So because the 10 to the power of minus 3 shifted to this side, and it becomes 10 to the power of plus 3, 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of plus 3, it equal to 10. So log 10 value is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore E naught cell is equal to, the value is 0.2905 plus 0.0295. So that is equal to, value becomes 0.32 volts students. Okay, clear? So the E naught cell of the cell reaction is 0.32 volts. Okay, so we know this value, then we will substitute the value into the above the given equation, that is E naught cell is equal to, E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n into log K equilibrium student. So this is equilibrium constant equation student. Okay, clear? So here we will substitute these values into this equation, then we will get the equilibrium constant for the following cell reaction. Okay, so E naught cell value already we know student, that is 0.32 volt student. So that is equal to 0.059 by n means the number of electron transferred is 2 student, and into log k equilibrium. Log k equilibrium. Okay student, are you understood? Okay, so here, so we will cancel this 0 point, that is equal to 295 student. So therefore 0.32, so this value comes this side, that is equal to 0.295 is equal to log k equilibrium. Okay, so we will calculate the k equilibrium. So the log will come this side and it becomes 10 to the power of this value, that is equal to 10 to the power of 0.32 by 0.295. So this is the value of k equilibrium. Okay, so this is the problem student. So solve in a simple way student. So this is very important model. Many of times asking the questions in this type of models. So just calculate the E0 cell value and substitute the value in equilibrium constant equation, then you will get the value, that is 10 to the power of something student. Okay, clear student? Friends, welcome to Hari Chemistry. So here the problem is based on the calculation of EMF of the cell. So regularly in previous questions, already we have done a few questions in previous IITG question papers. So the question is related to only, he has given only, the question was 2 half cells reactions are mentioned, but here in this case we have 3 half cell reaction. We know the 2 half cell reaction reduction potential, but here we are going to find out the half cell potential of another electrode reactions. Okay, so this is very important model student. So we will solve in simple manner. Okay, so first of all we will write the cell reaction, that is the solution. Cu plus 2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cu. Here the number of electrons, here generally we will assume it is equation number 1. So therefore N1 is equal to 2 electrons, N1 is equal to 2 electrons, and E0 is equal to E0 or E1 0 is equal to, that is 0.337 volts. Okay, right. Next, the second equation, that is so generally here due to the half cell reaction, so here we are going to change the equation, that is Cu plus gives rise to Cu plus 2 plus electron. So here 1 electron transfer reaction, that is equal to N2 is equal to 1 electron transfer reaction. So this is E0 2. So here in this question he given positive sign, so here we are writing the reverse of that reaction, so that's why the sign becomes change, 0153 volts. Clear? Right. Here we are going to find out Cu plus electron gives rise to Cu. Yes. Okay. So N3 is equal to, it is a 1 electron transfer reaction, 1 electron transfer reaction, but we don't know the half cell potential, that is question mark. The simple formula, that is N3 E3 naught is equal to N1 E01 E1 naught plus N2 E2 naught. So this is the simple formula. So we will solve these type of problems. Okay. So that is equal to, so this is here we are going to find out. Here we are going to find out copper plus 2 to copper. So that is equation number 3. Okay, N3 E0 3, that is equal to, N3 is equal to 1 electron. So therefore E0 E3 naught is equal to N1 E1. So N1 is equal to how much? 2 into 0.337 volts. So this is a simple way, this is the simplest shortcut method. So plus, so plus into minus we will do. So that is 1 electron transfer, 1 into minus 0.153 volts. So that is equal to 2 into 0.337 volts plus into minus, that is equal to 0.153 volts. Okay, so 0.337 into 2. So 0.337 into 2, 14. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. So 3 to the 6, that is equal to 0.674. So 0.674 minus 0.153 volts. So after the simplification, the answer is 0.527 volts. So the reduction potential of half cell of Cu plus by Cu, that is equal to 0.527 volts.